Hopefully you saw the video that we did yesterday about this stocks. It's exploded. We're gonna talk about it, how the insider load up, and is there another opportunity for you to load up before the price expanded again almost 70% today. So we're gonna discuss this stock and other 4 stock as usual. So let's get right to it and see the strategy for insiders. First off, we have our stock LGVN, and you can see here we talked about it on the 23rd of November, and hopefully you saw the video because we predicted the price to jump around the 15 and have the price going up, and even talked about it in our Patreon the day before in the pre-market. And as you can see here, the pre-market was on 30, then the price we predicted the price to go up on the Patreon, because we've been asked a lot about this stock, and we said don't buy when the market open, just wait and hunt around the 15. Perfect trade. Congrats about our hunter on Patreon. If you want to join, there's the link here, and you can join the tribe here, the Patreon link. So let's get right to it and see if there's opportunity for you to get in again. So as we said, we hunted for the price around this technical area, which is the 15. Perfect bounce. As we said yesterday before the market closed, we have surge in buying pressure and holding perfectly around our support that we predicted in pre-market, because it was here. You see, never buy when the price go up, because insider always sell to buy cheaper and discounted price. That's why they bought here the price. Let me just calculate it for you, and it went almost 100% in just one day. So this is crazy movement. And if you want to see like the started of this crazy bump for LGVN from 18th of November until now, almost 1000%. So are we gonna go even another 1000%? So this is depends on one thing only, which is holding the 28. That's where we tested right now. And if we hold the 28, because right now we went until the 34 and we got rejected, so I'll be extra careful right now. We might see the price go around this level of support here around the 20. So I'll be extra careful right now. If we don't hold the 28.42, this is important support to hold. If we hold it, this mean is really strong insiders, and like they have like locked in all the position above the 28. This will prove the price will go and continue to see the 40 and even the 50. The other scenario, if we just close here, just wait for the 20.82 where we hunt here. The next one we have XLM. As we said, the XLM hit the bottom around the $1.30. We talked about even on Discord and Patreon, and we have the bottom here around the $1.30, and we said on our Patreon the price have to hold this time above the $1.30, because this one confirmed that we have buying pressure and the price will surge first to test the $1.47. We didn't test the $1.47 yet. However, this will happen soon, because we close right now around the $1.42. So right now we're gonna see a test here. If we go above it, this will be a perfect scenario in order to go around this technical area where we're gonna see a reversal for XLM and like a downtrending momentum shift. Because if you go in the big picture, we have like a big downtrend here. We have to try to change it. So the change will happen around the $2.12. The next one we have AQST. So AQST went down and loaded up around the $5.49 around our support. The price surged again. Right now we just waiting for something, which is get over this mini resistance around the $6.35. If we overcome this resistance, will happen soon. This reaction we go until the $8. So this will be a really good trade, and AQST UST is ready to bump after we have loaded up here, and this is kind of important support. Right now we want to make the $6.35 our support in order to confirm that we're gonna see the $8.24. The next one we have HUT, and this one is ready to bump again. If you see the the general trend is uptrending market, and we have ascending line. We bounce from it every time. Perfect. 1, 2, and right now is the third one and waiting to explode again, and today is still holding. You see, we're still holding above this support. The $11.27 is really important support, and this ascending line here, we wait for a bounce. If we confirm this bounce and make this our bottom around the $11.27 and close around the 13, this is will confirm we're gonna see the price go to 20 this time and doing higher highs. At least we're gonna see the 20, because last time we went until the 1658. Lastly, we have fuel cell energy, and fuel cell energy is fueled up around the $8.99 or around the $9, and the price went up because it have the same scenario as HUT. You see the same scenario, the same pattern. Okay, so right now is ready to load up and go higher. This time we're gonna expand from the $11.13. If we hold above the $11.13 and bounce from the $9, this confirming that we're gonna see the 13.86. As I said, always be ready to hunt, have a strategy, don't confuse yourself, and just react and hunt. That's why we doing here. We don't think. We have already strategy built up. When we get inside the market, and inside the market is like a war zone. If you just stand still, you're gone. You'll be blackout. Someone will take you out. So be ready when you're inside the market. Just execute and don't turn around, and just learn from your mistake. If you make a bit of mistake, just get out early and ready to load on other stock, because there's a lot of opportunity, as I always say in my Patreon and my hunters, where we discuss how to hunt and how to change your psychology first in order to be profitable in trading. So without further ado, see you in the next update.